Here we have a Mercedes C-Class, and what we've done, we fitted an integrated CarPlay system into the vehicle. So it's got the standard stereo, standard screen, all the standard functionality that the vehicle has, but what we added is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So let me show you that. So if you have a look at the screen, this is a typical NTG 5.0 for the Mercedes. And go down, you see the stereo, so you can see that sort of spec. So at the moment it's on the Mercedes system itself, so all we have to do is push and hold the back button. So if you have a look down there, so I'm going to push and hold that, and now it flicks it to the CarPlay, and that's linked up to my phone. So this is your typical CarPlay menu. So then we go into the apps that's compatible with CarPlay. So let's say we go Spotify, and then be able to play music and stream it through the sound system. As you can see, and obviously the steering wheel controls all work as it should do. So I'm going to pause that. So the other thing about CarPlay, so if you have a look on the screen, so if we go back out, so you can go into Google Maps, and that gives you full mapping. And as you can see, that's where we are. And so especially if you haven't actually got sat-nav in your car, or the sat-nav is a little bit old, at least then you have the latest Google sat-nav. You've got Waze, that works on it as well. There's a lot of people who use that these days. So it's simple as that, really. So you still use the factory controls to navigate through the menu, and you just literally push the back button to get it back to the original Mercedes, and then that's from there you could play your FM radio and what have you, and all you have to do is push the back button again, and it takes you back into CarPlay. So it's a really simple system to use and easy to navigate as well. So that is the CarPlay installed on this Mercedes C-Class.